Hi friends, today we are going to see last reaction, that is Knoevenagel reaction. Now what is the statement of Knoevenagel reaction? The condensation of an aldehyde or ketone with an active methylene compound in presence of base to give unsaturated compound is called as Knoevenagel reaction. See, what is the statement of reaction? The condensation of an aldehyde or ketone with active methylene compound in presence of base to give unsaturated compound, or it is also called as alpha beta unsaturated compound, is called as a Knoevenagel reaction. And this reaction is carried out by repluxing reactant into the benzene solvent. Okay, and during the repluxing, here water molecule is removed. Here reaction or example of this Knoevenagel reaction is when benzaldehyde, means reaction of Knoevenagel reaction when this benzaldehyde is reacted with active methylene compound, means CH2 COO C2H5 COO C2H5. This is an active methylene compound, or it is also called as diethyl malonate. Okay, and the reaction is carried out in presence of benzoic acid or in presence of pyridine in benzene solvent. Okay, and here formation of intermediate can be takes place, means first here water molecule is removed, means oxygen from this benzaldehyde and hydrogen from this active methylene compound is removed in the form of water molecule, and here formation of COO C2H5 twice. This is an intermediate is formed, and this intermediate undergoes hydrolysis means in presence of H3O plus. Then what happen here, means hydrolysis is occur in this ester molecule, means COO C2H5, and here formation of C H double bond C COOH, and here twice, and this molecule again undergoes decarboxylation, means when this molecule heated, here decarboxylation means CO2 gas is removed, and here formation of here CH double bond CH COOH, and this compound is called as cinnamic acid, or it is also called as a functional group neighboring alpha after then beta, alpha beta unsaturated acid. How the decarboxylation is takes place here? Suppose it can be shown C double bond O, here OH, and here COOH. Okay, when here electron is transferred in between this CO, here double bond is formed and this bond is broken. Okay, means here H plus, means this H acquires positive charge and whole the electrons are shifted here, therefore here double bond is formed. At that time valency of carbon is excess. To maintain valency, the electron between this CC is shifted on this carbon, means this carbon acquires, central carbon acquires here negative charge, and this negative charge attracted this H plus ion, and here formation of CH is takes place, means CHCOOH, means here CHCOOH. Okay, it is very simple. Then we are going to see its mechanism. Okay, mechanism is carried out by using three steps. In first step, formation of carbanion can be takes place. Carbanion. Here carbanion can be prepared by reacting base with active methylene compound. Suppose this is an base, and this base is reacted with active methylene compound COO C2H5 and COO C2H5. These ester groups, both the ester groups are electron withdrawing group, therefore it abstracts the electron towards itself and here carbon acquires negative charge, and this hydrogen acquires here positive charge. Okay, means this reaction here and here H acquires positive charge, therefore here formation of B H plus, and here C H minus, and here COO C2 H5. I am writing here in the bracket. Okay, this H plus abstracted by base, and here formation of BH, and here this carbon acquires negative charge, therefore this carbon acquires negative charge, and it is called as carbanion. And this carbanion is act as a nucleophile, and in second step it is attacked on the aldehydic molecule. Means here suppose here we used benzaldehyde. Okay, C double bond O H, and it is reacted by CH minus COO C2 H5 twice. Here this nucleophile is attacked on this carbonyl group because this is polar group, and when pi bond electron separate on oxygen, means due to electron negativity, means different electron negativity, this oxygen abstract a pair of electron from pi bond towards itself and acquires negative charge, and this carbon acquires positive charge, therefore this nucleophile is attacked on this carbon, and here formation of CO minus, and this H means CH, and here CH, and here COO C2 H5 twice. Okay, this is an alkoxide anion, and this alkoxide anion in third step undergoes protonation, means CHO minus, and here CH COO C2 H5 twice, it undergoes protonation, means here this HB is used for the protonation purpose, and H is abstracted by the CH minus ion, and here formation of CH OH, here CH COO C2 H5 twice. Okay, and next this alkoxide anion undergoes dehydration, after then hydrolysis and decarboxylation, then we can obtain alpha beta unsaturated acid or unsaturated compound. See here this CH OH means here benzaldehyde, and here C OH CH, and here COO C2 H5 twice, means when it undergoes dehydration, means here water molecule is removed, means electron between this carbon and hydrogen is shifted here and double bond is formed. At that time this bond between OH and CH is removed, and OH abstract negative charge, OH minus and H plus combine to remove here water molecule, and here formation of CH double bond C COO C2 H5, and here COO C2 H5. Okay, and after then this molecule undergoes hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means addition of H plus OH minus ion, and hydrolysis takes place in between COO minus and C2H5 plus, and here formation of CH double bond C double bond O OH, and here COOH, and then lastly it undergoes decarboxylation, means removal of CO2 gases takes place, means when the electron between O and H is transferred to CO, here double bond is formed. At that time the electron between CC is shifted on carbon, and this carbon acquires negative charge. Okay, and see here CH double bond C, this totally removed, and here COOH is remaining as it is. but this C minus ion or carb anion, and here bond between O and H is removed, means broken from H, and in this H acquires positive charge. This positive charge H plus ion abstracted by this C minus, and here formation of CH is takes place, means here alpha beta. Okay, this alpha and beta means it is called as alpha beta unsaturated compound or unsaturated compound or cinnamic acid. Simply it is called as cinnamic acid. Then application. This Noether reaction is used for the preparation of alpha beta unsaturated compounds, okay, by reacting with malonic, means diethyl malonate. It is also used alpha beta unsaturated ketones, means preparation of alpha beta unsaturated ketones can be prepared by using this reaction. Various diacids and diketones can be generated or prepared by reacting aldehydes with active methylene compound in 1:2 molar proportion. Then it is also used for the synthesis of coumarin. These are the some application or uses of Noether reactions. In this chapter, here reactions as well as mechanisms were not asked. Reaction and mechanisms are not asked in your examination. Why? Because your examination is purely objective type. Therefore, you read it carefully, which type of aldehydes are used and which type of reaction is takes place. Only these are the important.